I think that failure that happened after television, before OTT, where my shows were not working and I then thought of taking a break. So that was quite depressing. I think, yes, in the initial days, I met somebody and he was just trying to brainwash me because the people are so interested in your personal lives. Just, I'm not going to adopt अकेले. मतलब अकेले as in I'm not even very fond of kids यार. सच बताओ तो सच में.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't mind just being single. Hi everyone, this is Asha Negi and you're watching me on Filmy Beat.
Wishing you all the best of honeymoon photographer. We just have a small segment with you. It's called the Fun Rapid Fire. I'm going to ask you questions and just answer it as honestly as you can.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, so the first question, what has been the hardest phase for you as an actor?
I think that failure that happened after television, before OTT, where my shows were not working and I then thought of taking a break.
Okay.
So that was quite depressing.
Okay. Most challenging role you have played so far?
I think all the characters that I play, मुझे day one से एक रात पहले नींद नहीं आती है because of the
But if you have
nervousness.
to pick one, जहाँ पे आपको लगा सच में बहुत ही ज़्यादा exhausting भी हुआ, मेहनत भी करनी पड़ी, efforts भी बहुत डालने पड़े.
यार बहुत सारे हैं ऐसे तो यार. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Have you ever faced any casting couch or uncomfortable experience? And if you have dealt with it, what is the advice you want to give to the new actors who might face this thing? You know? Yeah.
I think, yes, in the initial days, I met somebody and, he was just trying to brainwash me, but I was very adamant ki, I will not pay attention to this. So, yeah, I mean, and I also, just be careful, you meet such people in public places and not to be disheartened, not to listen, not to get brainwashed, of course, and just try your best with your honesty. I mean, yeah,
Okay.
and it will pay off.
Okay. The best thing you think one can do for their mental peace, and one thing which you follow, therapy or spirituality? What do you?
Spirituality is my thing. I mean, therapy is also amazing, but I don't know. I think my friends are my therapist. So spirituality is something that really has helped me. God, believing in God, and मुझे लगता है फिर कोई चाहिए ही नहीं तुम्हें यार. कितना तो ये तो नहीं मिल पाएगा तुम्हें किसी इंसान में.
Right. Okay. Best friend from the TV industry or from the industry. Like if you have to pick one, चलो दो क्योंकि आपके हैं कुछ दोस्त भी हमेशा में लगता है. Yeah.
यार I have a lot of friends. Best friend तो मेरी एक ही है from my childhood. But I have some really close friends. I have Karan Wahi, Riddhi Dogra, and I recently met Surbhi also. Surbhi Jyoti, and it was
You posted also
amazing.
something
Yeah,
on
it was
Instagram.
amazing. It didn't feel like we're meeting after so many years.
Yeah.
Arjit Taneja.
Yeah.
I'm so fond of Sriti.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. Last few question. Actor नहीं होते तो क्या होते हैं?
यार मैं air hostess बनना चाहती थी. So yeah.
Okay.
That.
Okay. What's the good and bad thing about being famous? Like one good thing and one bad thing.
Good thing is about being famous is you get so much love, and bad thing about being famous is that the people are so interested in your personal lives. Just
Right.
stop it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is the one quality which is like the greenest and one which is like the most red flag quality? And it is not just for you. अगर आप अपनी female friends को भी advice देना चाहो तो, और अगर वो ले आपकी advice तो ये आप बोलना चाहोगे?
Green flag में होगा. You're a kind person, yaar. Like even while talking to a waiter or a spot boy, you have to be kind and
Kindness, yeah.
And red flag में if somebody doesn't talk.
Doesn't talk on you?
It doesn't talk nicely or is not kind to people. I think kindness really matters to me. I
Right.
judge people when they are not kind.
Yeah, but it's a good thing to judge. I mean, इस पे तो judge करना
है ना,
ही चाहिए.
करना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, last two question. ये or nay. Now there's a situation which you have to say, is it good or bad or not suitable? Like most of the people which are now doing, be it a man or woman, that if they don't find a suitable partner, they are ready to be single parents or just go for adoption.
Yeah.
In the situation, as an individual, is it a yay or nay situation for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
Go
So,
for it.
so you think this is something which might be, in future you would be okay with this?
I am not going to adopt अकेले. मतलब अकेले as in I am not even very fond of kids यार. सच बताऊँ तो सच में.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't mind just being single.
Okay, great, which is again, great. Okay, the last question for you is, one phase where you were the weakest as a person? You don't need to tell the exact situation, and you overcome it. What actually helped you?
Yeah, I think बहुत सारे ऐसे situations हुई होंगी, but I think people know about it. This failure, as I was telling you about after television, I was quite vulnerable at that point. कि maybe it is over for me. I have to go back home.
Okay.
So yeah.
But what helped you like to overcome it? Your family, maybe a kind of anything, meditation, anything?
Yeah, friends also helped me, but I think acceptance is very important. You accept that situation because the more we will try to fight it out, na,
Right.
कि नहीं ऐसा मेरे साथ कैसे हो सकता है? नहीं. Just accept it. Just give it time, and it will pass.
I think mountain has really helped you into get to basic चीजें जो survival के लिए जरूरी होती है. You have
Seriously, like spirituality, mountains, God, and having the right people. वो बोलते हैं ना सत्संग. सत्संग का मतलब यही होता है. Have the right people around you.
Right.
That is very important.
Right. Thank you so much, Asha, for the lovely interview, for the lovely segment. And I was right because whenever I see your, Insta page, I do feel, आपके जो specially captions रहते, whenever you travel, or I think कि आ गए उनको समझ में, that. So thank you so much for the lovely interview. I wish you all the best for Honeymoon Photographer and for every project and for everything. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Asha Negi. You're watching me on Filmy Beat. My show Honeymoon Photographer is coming on the 27th of September on Jio Cinema Premium. Please watch.